Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Cecilia Sultami, NPM 2441201 from accounting class 24A. On this occasion, I would like to present about audit working papers. Alright, let's get into the discussion. Definition of audit working papers. Audit working papers are documents prepared and collected by the auditor during the audit process. These documents contain evidence, analysis, and record of audit procedure performed by the auditor. Audit working papers serve as proof that the auditor has conducted the audit according to auditing standard. According to professional auditing standard issued by organizations such as Ikatan Akuntansi Indonesia and the International Auditing and Assurance Standard Board, auditor must properly prepare and maintain working papers. Purpose of audit working papers. Audit working papers are prepared for several important purposes. Evidence of audit work. They provide proof that the auditor has performed audit procedure properly. Support for the auditor's opinion. Working papers support the auditor conclusion and final audit opinion. Help in planning and supervising the audit. They help supervisor review the work performed by junior auditor. Reference for future audits. Working paper can be used in the next audit period as reference material. And last, legal protection. Working papers serve as evidence if the auditor faces legal issues or disputes. Next slide. Characteristic of good audit working papers. Good audit working papers should have the following characteristics. Complete. All important audit procedure and result must be documented. Clear. The documentation must be easy to understand by other auditor. Accurate. All data and calculation must be correct. Systematic. Working papers should be organized in a logical order. Relevant. The information must be related to the audit objective. Contents of audit working paper. Audit working paper usually contain the following information. Client information, basic information about the company being audited. Example, company name, fiscal year, industry type. And number 2, audit plan, documentation of the audit strategy and procedure to be performed. Internal control evaluation, documentation of the auditor evaluation of the company's internal control system. Audit evidence, evidence collected during the audit such as invoice, bank confirmation, contracts, financial record. Analysis and calculation. Working paper often include ratio analysis, account reconciliation, calculation performed by auditor. Audit findings, notes about error, irregularities, or unusual transaction discovered during the audit. Conclusion. Final conclusion drawn by the auditor for each audit area. Types of audit working papers. Permanent file. A permanent file contains information that is useful for many audit periods. This file is not changed frequently. Example, article of incorporation. Organizational structure, accounting policies, long-term contracts, a description of internal control system. Permanent file help auditor understand the client's business over time. Current file contains documents related to the current year audit. This file changes every year because it reflects the current audit activities. Example, audit program, trial balance, audit adjustment, bank confirmation, working paper for accounts such as sales, inventory, and receivable. Importance of audit working papers. Audit working papers are very important because they provide documents of audit procedure, support the auditor opinion in the audit report, facilitate supervision and review of audit work, help auditor maintain audit quality, serve as legal evidence if disputes occur. That's all my presentation about audit working papers. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.